There's a famous section of Forrest Gump that was going to get cut for budgetary reasons.
Oh, yeah.
And there's like, everybody knows the section of it, but it was just going to be gone.
Some studio executive always comes up and says, it's not going to work. You can't do it. It's not going to work. We don't see the point in it. Why shoot that? It was Forrest's run across the country, weekend long. But one of the studio, before we started it, the studio guy says, you're going to have to cut that. And when it found out they were going to have to cut it, I felt bad. But Bob, I got this call from my agent. The director, Bob Zemeckis, wants to talk to you. And I thought, I am so fired now. Because when you get that, the director is coming to your house to talk to you, that means you're out, baby. Turns out, somebody else is available. But Bob came out and he said, Tom, I cannot make a movie without the star of the movie as my soulmate. So you and I have to be joined at the hip through all of this. I said, well, what do you want to do, Bob? I said, I think we should pay for this sequence ourselves. Let's knock money out of our salary, and we will pay for it ourselves. And it was a lot of money. It was huge. So we split it right down the middle. And we said, well, we'll take it out of our salary, but we'll make them give it back to us in points on the back end.